हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज हमारे साथ है जानवी सावंत, जो एलजे यूनिवर्सिटी के इवेंट विमेन इन्वेस्टिंग इन विमेन नाम के इवेंट में आए थे एंड शी ओन्स हर ओन स्टार्टअप। बेसिकली शी इज़ मेकिंग ड्रोन्स एंड उन्होंने अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप शुरू किया हुआ है। एंड सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जानवी, वेलकम टू रेडियो एलजे।
Thank you so much.
So, first of all, I would like to know about the product that you make and a brief introduction about your startup.
Okay. PYI Technologies, I started in November 2021. It was a drone manufacturing company where we provided solutions for defense and enterprise applications. We were also one of the pioneers to introduce FPV drone technology to the Indian Army. Uh, and following our technology and innovation, we got acquired by Dronacharya Aerial Innovations,
Okay.
India's first publicly listed drone company. Post acquisition, I worked there for an year more, and currently I am starting up again. So I'm working on drone communication systems. So to develop and innovate and indigenize these technology, we are currently building RAV Eagle technologies.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's that? Could you please briefly tell us about?
Yeah. At RAV Eagle Technologies, we are developing next generation wireless communication systems. So recently, you must have heard about a lot of drone hackings near the northern and eastern borders of India, which has led to the Indian Army cancelling drone contracts more than 200-300 crore rupees. So there is clearly a huge requirement of non-Chinese, drone components in our country as well as globally. So to fill that up, we are indigenizing some of the drone components, especially the communication system. So the communication system basically helps in the control and data transmission in the drone.
Okay. So, एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. You have come up with a very good idea. So, आपने ये जो स्टार्ट किया, so you started it on your own. It's not your family business.
Right.
Okay. So when you started, तो कौन से struggles you had to face while starting it? Because I know that it's very difficult for a person to start something of his or her own. So I would like to know about what struggles you had to face while starting this.
Right. So I basically started up in the second year of my engineering. उस पॉइंट पे आई वॉज अ वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन. मैं लोगों से बात भी नहीं कर पाती थी. सो confidence was the first struggle factor that I had. And again, I was very young. I was 19. So when I used to go to clients, I used to go to meet people, बहुत बार एक ट्रस्ट इशू आता था कि तुम तो बच्चे हो, कल कहीं छोड़ के चले जाओगे तो. So that was another. And third was, as a female, people don't prefer to talk to you. Like, I have a co-founder. So when we used to go for meetings and all, even if I was speaking, people just used to focus on him. काफ़ी बार, not हमेशा, but काफ़ी बार. So as a female, वो एक थोड़ा सा issue I faced initially. But yeah, I think धीरे धीरे करके I somehow got through it. So
Okay. So बहुत struggles की बात हमने की, but I would like to know कि ये कोई ऐसा idea और ऐसा incident जो आपकी लाइफ में हुआ हो which triggered you and led you to build such a product.
if I talk particularly about an incident, it is not at all related to this field. But when I was 15, उस टाइम पे I was preparing for my boards, ये वो, and then you have that pressure from your parents कि नहीं IIT में जाना है. तो उस point पे I think I hit my lifetime low. I was sort of in a phase of depression. And उस point पे it was difficult for me क्योंकि Indian parents बात भी नहीं करना चाहते चीज़ों के बारे में. It is like depression, कुछ नहीं, जाके पढ़ाई कर ले.
Yes.
So at that point I tried to use technology to help me out of it. Google Assistant था, बात करती थी उससे, but it was limited. So I thought, let's use AI, let's build an AI counselor. So that was my first journey towards entrepreneurship. वो नहीं चला क्योंकि बाद में 11th-12th का साइंस का पढ़ाई था. So that did not go well, but that was my inspiration to get into entrepreneurship because I wanted to solve problems.
Okay, so that's the thing which led you to become an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a really good idea. So, abhi currently you're working with a team of how many people right now?
So since the other venture, my Ravigal Technologies, I just started in February 2025. So right now it's just me and my co-founder.
Okay,
But at my previous venture, we had a team of around 12 people.
okay.
Yeah.
And they were all into it.
Sorry?
And they were all into this, the team that you
Yeah.
made.
Yes.
Okay. So, like, I would like to know more things. If you could elaborate about your product, what it does, and what's your USP, what's your unique selling point, that I would like to know.
Okay. So right now, जो भी market में solutions exist करते हैं, they are either cheap but insecure options, and the other is they are comparatively secure but very expensive. And if I talk about a price sensitive market like India, then वो products नहीं चलते हैं. So we are basically trying to bridge the gap by building a technology which integrates the best of both worlds, जिसके मदद से we are able to offer better features, better security and better pricing.
Okay, so now that you have started this thing, how are you feeling? Like, you're feeling the confidence factor, which you told that earlier was a main struggle, a main difficulty for you. So, have you came up with a solution for that problem? Like, how are you feeling now when you're working?
Honestly, I'm much confident because in the past 3-4 years, I have interacted with a lot of people, not only from India, but across 20-25 countries. So, now I feel that, yeah, I have gained experience and basically.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, when a kid starts something of its own, they get a lot of support from their parents. So, and since you came up to the event, which is Women Investing in Women, so I would like to know about that one woman who invested in you. It could be time, it could be knowledge, it could be anything. The one woman who invested in you.
I think that is definitely my mom.
Okay.
Because since the day I started up, she has always been supportive. कभी कभी my dad used to be like कि क्या कर रही है ये, कब तक ये हॉबी करेगी, get a good job. IIT में जाती तो अभी 10 लाख का पैकेज लगता ये वो. But my mom is like, नहीं, वो तेरे भले के लिए बोल रहे हैं, but I believe in you and you will do something. Just keep on doing it. So she is the one that
She supported you.
Yeah.
So at that point, that the thing that is courage and faith that she invested in you. Okay, that's good. And so
actually, one more interesting thing is I and my mom started off as business owners simultaneously. Like my mom was a housewife all her life, but recently she started up her own pharmacy.
that's
So even if
cool.
it is nothing modern, but it is good seeing her doing this at this age. It feels motivating.
Yes, it feels like, that's the eternal happiness that we get by seeing her. Okay, so Janvi, now heading towards the end of our conversation, the last question that I would like to ask you is, since you came here today, what was your experience? Like, how you felt to be the part of such an event, and your overall experience of how you felt?
It was amazing. One word, amazing, because I think overall in India, people should, as an entrepreneurs, get opportunities to present themselves. to speak themselves out, because not everyone understands what an entrepreneur is going through, and especially as a woman it just gets more difficult. So initiatives like this always help people like us out.
Okay. So one more thing which I would like to know is, like, till date, आज की डेट तक आपने कितने approximately products sell किए होंगे, and the profit that you made out from doing this thing?
The count would be more than 15,000 drones.
Okay.
Yeah, and profit
That's,
I wouldn't be able to mention.
that's a quite cool number to start with. Like, you sold out more than 15,000 drones, and it's your startup. So like, I think that's a very cool number to start with, and you're happy. Since you're happy with your work, that's the greatest thing which a person can feel. So thank you so much, Janvi, for being a part of the event, and thank you so much for investing your time here, and thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.